In this video, I'll show you how to update your Skyworth TV. So let's get started. Take your remote control and you're going to press the settings button, this one over here. It's a cogwheel. Once you press this, we need to select all settings. It's this option right over here on the top right corner. And you're going to select System. Then go down. Oops, select About. And now you're going to select System Update. It will check. Obviously your TV needs to be connected to the internet. And you're going to get an answer over here. If you see your system is up to date, well, there's nothing to install. But if there was an update available, you'll be able to click a button over here so your TV gets it. Once you're done, you can press the home button, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.